thank you for coming. So what we're gonna do is I try to share what we learn abroad. I've been working for the last 12 years in Europe or in America. So I went to Asia, went to Mexico, even Southeast Asia. So try to show what we can.
At dito po sa Hannibal Wellness Cafe, mostly lahat po ng ating tinatry na ating staff dito ay working student. Tinatry natin silang tulungan para makatapos sa pag-aaral at para sa kanilang mga magulang. Yun po ang mostly priority namin na hinahire dito sa Hannibal Wellness Cafe. At at the same time, makuha po nila yung aming 13 years experience around the world.
Sakto-sakto pa yun namin yung engine namin para dito kasi bali healthy living po tsaka active lifestyle po. Fit po tayo.
Cafe is more than a place to eat. It's a living, breathing extension of a vision that's been patiently, lovingly brought to life.
So nakita ko po na opportunity to share with you yung mga harvest namin po sa Sarata Agricultural Farm sa pamamagitan po ng Hannibal Wellness Cafe. Sarata Agricultural Farm po is isa sa mga certified organic farm dito sa Laguna. So ako po yung pang-walong certified organic farm dito sa Laguna. And I'm the first here in San Pablo City.